the Boss Star one back with another one. And I appreciate everybody that watches my videos. Just want to let you guys know that ahead of time. But today I'm gonna be doing another product review. It's a Shea Moisture product. It's something that my wife ordered. I have never tried it yet. She has used it on my son's hair, so I kind of see what it does. You know, my 1-year-old, about to be 2, crazy how fast the time goes. But she's used it on his hair, and I see how she applies it in his hair, and it really defines his curls and stuff. Even though I wouldn't necessarily say I have curls. Well, waves are laid down curls, so I do. But he doesn't have like short hair. He got like hair's kind of long a little bit, but it makes his curls look really good and defined. So I'm gonna be applying it. I'm gonna be applying it in my hair today. And I'm gonna see how it works as a styler for my hair. You know, I'll apply it in my hair and I'll just brush it down and stuff. And I just want to see how it works in my hair. But I'll read some of it and show what it does. Tell what it does. It's like I said, it's Shea Moisture. It says coconut and hibiscus, frizz-free curl mousse with silk protein and neem oil. And it says moisture lock and curl define for curly styles and wash and goes. I don't do wash and goes, but you know, like I said, you can use it for any of these things. And then it says made with fair trade shea butter. And then it says formulated with, it says no parabens, no phthalates. Hope I'm pronouncing that wrong, I don't know. PHTHALATES. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, you guys. It says no mineral oil, no animal testing, no petroleum. And then on the back it says this moisture locking styling mousse easily enhances natural curl and wave patterns while reducing frizz. So, I mean, that's one thing for us wavers. We like to get that frizz laid down, you know, like especially when you get a fresh cut, you know, like you always appreciate it when your barber goes over there, you know, goes freehand trims your hair and gets all the frizz off. So this says while reducing frizz, so that sounds like a plus for me, you know, so no frizz is what it sounds like. It says no sticky or crunchy residue, and that's good too, because nobody want to be putting nothing in their hair and it's all sticky and whatnot. It says just high impact volume with a soft finish. And then it says shake well, divide damp hair into sections. I'm not going to be dividing any of the hair or anything because I got waves. My hair's not like long, so like I said, I'll just be applying it in my hair. And then it says apply 2 to 3 pumps to each section and comb through, style as desired. I'm not going to be combing anything through because I'm just going to be brushing, like I said. And like I said, it seems like it's like a foam or whatever, so it says only 2 to 3 pumps. But I'll see how much I need to apply for my hair. Like I said, I really don't know. But this is gonna be my first time. Like I said, this is gonna be my first time using this product, and I'll see how it goes. And also, you guys, I washed my hair probably over an hour ago, so I know it's probably best if your hair is a little damp. I mean, my hair is really not. It's a little damp in the back. Like my hair, like that's one thing about my hair. Like some people's hair may not dry super fast, but my hair does. You know, I still got the do-rag on, you know, after I wash my hair because I did a washing style and I haven't taken it off yet. So I don't know exactly what my hair looks like. So you guys are going to be the first ones to see it. And then you'll see how it looks after I apply this product. And I mean, I guess let me know if you notice a difference. But here we go, you guys. Like I said, you guys are going to get the first look of it. That's one thing about my hair. Like when I do my washing styles, it's always wet in the back, you know, the last thing, because I'll tie this around it, you know, and then the flaps get all wet and stuff. So. But the top feels like it's dry, but the back feels like it's still wet. So let's see. I'm gonna apply a little bit of water. I'm not gonna put a whole lot of my hair, but I'm just gonna apply a little bit of water. And then I'm gonna apply the Shea Moisture product right on top of it. Then I'll brush it in with my 360 GG brush. As if you guys have watched my channel, you've seen that brush already before. The water will make your hair frizz up. Don't think about water. But it says this product's supposed to lay it, you know, reduce frizz. So I think that's a little bit more maybe. All right. Now I'm gonna apply this product, and it says 2 to 3. It says 2 to 3 pumps. That's what it says. I mean, I'm sure it'd probably be different for everybody's hair, but maybe I'll just stick to the instructions.
Per section.
2 to 3 pumps to each section. Okay. Well, I'll just apply a couple pumps. So. It's definitely like a foam coming out. So as you guys can see, if you guys have used curl enhancing smoothie, I feel like it kind of has that same smell to it. I don't really know how to describe it, but I just use 2 pumps And then I'm gonna just kind of rub it in my hand, and then I'll apply it on my hair a little bit. Like I said, I feel like the couple pumps definitely goes a long way.
I think you should have more.
Yeah, and I think I'll add maybe a couple more pumps, you guys. Just because I said my hair it's naturally really dry, you know. Like I said, especially when it comes to like washing my hair and stuff, it just dries really fast. That's the type of hair I have. Like some people's hair, they can wash it and it'll be wet all day long. But mine's so I'll just apply a little bit more. So I applied 4 pumps, you guys. That's how much I applied. Maybe different for your hair. And I mean already, my hair does feel pretty soft just putting this product in here. I feel like I'm feeling the way that my hair feels, it does feel really soft. You guys wanted to know about the price. You know, because like I said, my wife ordered the product. I didn't really ask the price, but under $10, so I'd say not too bad. I feel like it'd kind of be hard to tell if it reduces frizz or not, because I feel like I sprayed my hair with water, and that automatically kind of frizzed my hair up. But as far as the frizzy part of things, I honestly don't really know, because I would have to probably throw my do-rag back on and then be able to tell as far as that goes. All right, you guys, how you doing? As you can see, I have a different color do-rag on. Originally, I had the blue do-rag on. But you know, after I had applied the product in my hair, my idea was to just, you know, show you guys how it looked after I put it in my hair. But I decided to just try to lay it down the best way I could by putting a new do-rag on. You know, like I said, this do-rag was still a little bit damp from my washing style earlier. So like I said, I switched do-rags. So I want to show you guys, give you guys a better idea of what it looks like when it's laid down. So my hair is pretty much dry now after I put this do-rag on. I've been had this on probably about 30 minutes. And like I told you guys, my hair didn't take long at all to dry. So I just want to show you guys what it looks like. But my recommendation would be, if your hair is anything like mine, when you apply this product in your hair, I wouldn't suggest putting water in your hair, because when I put water in my hair, it makes mine frizz up, you know. So my recommendation would be just to put this in your hair and see how it looks. And if it does, if it does frizz up too, still put the do-rag on, because as wavers, we have to, a lot of times we still got to put our do-rags on to get our hair to lay down. Like I said, especially if it's not a fresh cut. But here's a better view for you guys of how it looks. So here we go. So, like I said, let me know what you guys think it looks like. And like I said, let me know if you guys believe it looks any differently. And be honest with me. Be honest with me, what?
Definitely.
Be honest with me, you guys. Don't just be saying good stuff. Just, you know, just don't tell me just what I want to hear. Be honest. Here we go. All right, you guys. So you guys comment down below if you guys have used this product, and let me know, y'all. You know, like I said, I need y'all help, man. You know, like lately, you know, my wife, she just been ordering me little products randomly, and I just been making videos off of it. But I like this product. I do like this product. If you guys haven't seen my last video, go check that out. I reviewed some suede do-rags. I believe it was, yeah, suede. Suede, right? Velvet. I don't know why I keep saying suede. But if you guys review that, you know, go check that video out too. Like I said, if you guys had watched that video, like I said, I don't really like them type of do-rags. I really only mess with the silky do-rags. But you guys let me know what you thought of this video. Comment down below, and let me know if you guys are gonna go decide to use this product. You know, let me know what you thought of it, or if you've already used it, let me know as well. But God bless you guys. I'm out of here. Until the next video. Also comment down below, is there any other type of videos that you guys want to see? Any other wave content that you guys may want to see? Any tips, just anything that I can help you guys with? Just let me know, you know, because I need your guys' help. I need you guys to help me so I can help you, you know. And if you have any suggestions for me, let me know down in the comments as well, you know, because I'm never too far away from, you know, a little bit more knowledge with different things. But God bless you guys. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on notifications, and I appreciate all you guys. God bless, and I'm out of here.